How do I connect and set the parameters of the ST9000 frequency inverter? You can see here an ST9100 2.2 kilowatt inverter, which we connect to a 240 volt power supply. Please open the casing in the lower area. Below you will find the power clamps, and at the top the control clamps. Connect the main power supply to terminals R, S, and T. The phase order does not need to be considered. Ensure for a 230 volt G1 inverter to connect only to R and T. Now turn on the power. The display of the inverter shows a 50, which represents 50 Hz. If the inverter is running until now, please switch off the main supply again and connect the motor. The motor is connected to U, V, and W. Please ensure that no switching devices are used between the frequency inverter and the motor. The motor cables must lead directly to the motor. Generally, we recommend the use of insulated cables between motor and inverter. For long motor cables, the use of an output filter is recommended. These output filters are directly available from Sourcetronic. Now turn on the power again and program the control by using the buttons and potentiometer on the control panel. If you press the PRG button, F0 appears in the display. Press Enter, and F0.00 appears next. Use the potentiometer to change the value to F0.03. Now press Enter again. The value 1 lights up. Change this value to 4. Now you can control the engine speed with the dial on the control panel. Of interest is the fact that the parameter settings, which have been set once, facilitate the parameterization by simply transferring the control panel into another 9000 inverter. The parameterization of the 9100 is identical to the 9200 and 9300 inverter series, barring settings concerning the additional I/O ports. Conveniently using a LAN cable, you can store the control unit comfortably apart and control the inverter remotely.